The Pugio. The Pugio, a short, double-edged dagger, was the last resort of the Roman legionary. When the gladius failed, the upward thrust of the Pugio was designed for maximum lethality, a swift, brutal strike that found its mark through the segmented plate. The timeline begins in 509 BC with the Republic's founding. Through the Crucible of the Punic, while the Iberian dagger featured a distinctive leaf-shaped blade and ornate hilt, the Roman Pugio...
The Pugio, a testament to Roman engineering, forged in fire, hammered with relentless precision.
The genius of the Pugio lies in its layered construction. The high-carbon steel core provides unparalleled sharpness. The ergonomic design ensures a secure grip. Whether carved bone, smooth ivory, or polished wood, the balance is essential for the warrior. Flares. The scabbard was a symbol of status. The intricate designs, often utilizing precious materials like silver pseudo formation, an impenetrable fortress of steel and hide, advances alongside the aggressive wedge, designed to puncture the enemy's lines. The Pugio, a dagger often overlooked, was a brutally efficient tool in close quarters. It was designed for moments just like this. The Roman soldiers run, stab, and pursue with relentless determination. The Gauls stumble and fall. The Pugio, standard issue for the Roman legionary, was more than just a sidearm. In the close confines of here, amidst the smoke and firelight, the true test of a warrior's skill was measured in steel. The Roman gladius against the barbarian axe.
The Pugio strikes with lethal efficiency. In the shadows of the tavern, another rumor is silenced.
The Pugio, a seemingly small dagger, was the ultimate symbol of the emperor's military strength and his willingness to use it. The Roman Empire, a name synonymous with military might. Its legions, the embodiment of discipline and power. Torments. The Pugio, though often overshadowed by the gladius, was an indispensable part of the Roman soldier's arsenal. The Pugio was not merely a sidearm. It was a symbol of Roman dominance, used to enforce their will across the empire. Sigmas. As the smoke clears and the light fades, we see the grim reality of Roman conquest. The battlefield.
Designed for close combat, the Pugio was essential for the Roman legionary.
The Mediterranean became Rome's sea, secured by the relentless advance of the legions and the sharp edge of the Pugio.
Punishments. The legions marched relentlessly, deploring to secure new territories. Some constructed fortifications.
Through repeated hammering and meticulous filing, the Roman blacksmiths forged the Pugio, a weapon of unparalleled sharpness. The Pugio, though small, was a lethal close-quarters weapon. Its thick blade was designed for thrusting, making it the legionary's trapping emphasized swift evasion followed by an immediate counter. The Pugio was designed for this brutal efficiency. Concentration was paramount. The legionnaire knew that hesitation meant death. His Pugio was the final argument in the brutal symphony of war. The Pugio, a short dagger utilized by the Roman legions, was often the final arbiter in close quarters. Power was everything. From these halls, their word was law, a legacy carved in stone and enforced by the sword. A symbol of absolute power, the Roman Pugio, though small, was a brutal instrument of war, wielded by the emperors to maintain control. Julius Caesar, the very name synonymous with power. His hand rests upon the Pugio, a stark reminder of the military force underpinning his rule. The Pugio, a dagger carried by every Roman soldier, was more than just a weapon. It was a symbol of their discipline. Friction feelers. The Roman war machine was built on steel and discipline. From the gladius to the pilum, their weapons forged an empire.
Beneath these sun-baked stones lie the remnants of an empire forged in conflict.
Corroded by centuries, the Pugio emerges from the earth, a silent testament to the empire's reach and the violence that sustained it. Standing at attention, the legions were a symbol of Roman might. Their equipment, honed by centuries of conflict, included the deadly Pugio, the gladius, a weapon designed for efficient, brutal thrusting. But in the chaos of the Aces, the Pugio provided a decisive final blow.
Roman legions were defined by their discipline and the strength of their steel. Here we see the gladius put to the ultimate test.
Determined, disciplined, and deadly.
The synchronized march of the Legion was a prelude to conquest. Their
functions. The gladius, often paired with the lorica segmentata, was the ultimate expression of Roman military dominance. The Pugio, a short, double-edged dagger, was more than just a sidearm. It represented the Pugio, standard sidearm of the Roman legionary. More than just a dagger, it was a brutal instrument of close-quarters combat.
A panoramic view of the empire at its height. The legions marched, their gladii and pugios securing the vast.
Buried within these ancient texts are the true accounts of the Pugio, the brutal dagger of the Roman Empire.
The Pugio, a short-bladed dagger, served the Roman legionary as a sidearm. Its design.
At its height, the Roman Empire stretched across 3 continents, a vast network of roads and forts. The iron was hammered repeatedly, transforming it into the deadly Pugio. This weapon became synonymous with Roman military might.
The Pugio dagger, a symbol of Rome's might.
Roma! Roma! Invicta! Forward!
Jews. A symbol of Roman military power, the Pugio was also a testament to their craftsmanship. Its design. The Pugio, while seemingly small, was a brutal, close-quarters weapon. Its sharp, double-edged blade, the Roman legions relied on the strength of the forge. Here, the Pugio blade is born, hammered into shape before the crucial quench. The legionary relied on the Pugio when the lines broke, a swift, brutal thrust aimed at the chest, ensuring the lethality of Roman steel. A testament to Roman craftsmanship, the Pugio symbolized military power. Layered steel and iron